Hi guys, today I want to teach you how to fix docking station which doesn't give display to external monitors. Here you can see I've got my Tragus docking station. Here is my laptop connected to the docking station. Before we proceed, can you please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Here are external monitors. They are connected but they can't display. Okay, first of all, we will search for device manager. When we search for device manager, we will go to other devices and check the driver for the docking station, because you can see it is connected with a yellow icon. Yellow icon means the docking station is connected but it can't display because there's drivers missing. Okay, what we're gonna do now is to try to update that driver using automatical Windows search. As you can see here, you will right click on your docking station and say update driver, then you select search automatical driver. Here you can see my Windows was unable to install that Tragus driver, so which means we have to install this driver manually. To install driver manually, we have to go to the browser and search exactly the driver of the docking station. You will check your docking station name, then you write it as it is written on the docking station, then you say search, then you will go to driver and downloads docking station Tragus. Okay, you can see there on top it is on other tab. You have to put it to driver, then you choose the driver, the latest one, because you can see there are different drivers. Don't be confused, choose the latest one. You can see there are a lot of drivers that are installed last time, but they're the same. Okay, then you will install the setup. We can wait for a little bit while the setup is in the process. Then you will accept the license and install. You can see display link graphics. This issue can happen to any docking station, even if it is new. Don't be confused that you bought the docking station which is not working.